Hi, I'm Josh Ackman with Park Industries Customer Service Department. And on this video, we are going to be programming a digital vacuum switch for a Titan. This video will be for 1000 and 2000 series Titans and Titan Fab centers. So we're going to come over. If you got a new digital vacuum switch, you will need to program it. And we're going to start off by pressing and holding the set button for 3 seconds. Now we're just gonna arrow up or down until we're looking for I and H. Right there. We can press set. Our next one will say 1 and O. We can just press set. We do not change anything on there. On 2 and O, we do not change anything. So we can press set. On 2.5, we do not change anything. So we can press set again. On NAN, we do not change anything, so we can press set again. And this does bring us back to our main display. And we'll just press the set button again, and now we're into the part where we got a program. It will be defaulted as 14.0. So I'm just gonna press and hold this up button until I'm at 19.0. Once I'm at 19.0 on P1, I can press set. P2, I want to also set to 19.0. And press set to the next parameter. P3, I want set to 19.0. And P4, I also want set to 19.0. Now, pressing set again, that'll bring me back to my main display. You can see my vacuum is not on right now and I'm still not reading 0. So I just want to program it to 0 out the gauge. So you just press and hold the up and down arrow and that will reset to 0. That is how you program a digital vacuum gauge on a Titan or Titan Fab Center. If you have any questions with it, please give us a call on our customer service line and we'll be happy to help. Thank you.